Hello, Octoprint fans. Former Lurker here again. Today I'm bringing you episode 3 of my ongoing series that's discussing some of the new features that'll be available in version 0.4 of Octolapse. I hope to release that real soon. Today's video is about help. Help is very important in any application, and the previous version of Octolapse did have built-in help, but it was implemented by linking to the wiki page on GitHub. And unfortunately, that made it very difficult for me to make changes when the settings changed in the new version. Some definitions have changed. Basically, I've got a situation where the help for the previous version isn't applicable to the current version. And if you look at the way that the wiki page is implemented on GitHub, it's very difficult to create version-specific information. And in order to work around this, I've integrated the entire help system within Octolapse. So let's just take a look. So I'm going to open this camera page. So you probably saw these question marks sitting around. You may have clicked on a few, and previously they just opened a new window. But now they open in a little pop-up box, and I can close it. Actually, I can close it by clicking anywhere, and you'll notice that this is formatted, and basically I'm taking Markdown and I'm using it to generate HTML so that it's pretty easy for me to create help files and format them and add links. And the best part is the help file will always be connected to the current version that you have installed, so it's very easy for me to make changes. I've been really impressed with showdown.js, which is the Markdown library that I've been using. It's a really impressive piece of JavaScript, and it's doing all this conversion from Markdown to HTML. And you'll notice it supports these code blocks, it supports headers, uh, basically everything that Markdown supports. And I think it looks great. And I can add some pretty complicated help. It scrolls pretty nicely and resizes. This is actually a new guide on how to get custom image preferences working in the new version of Octolapse. And a lot of this has changed. It's changed quite a bit. So it's nice to have this help that is specifically linked to this particular version so that if I change something in the future, it's real easy for me to push out updates. Now, I've got help here for basically every single setting, but some of them aren't necessarily 100%. So if you do see some in the next version and you think you need more information, let me know and I'll fill that in. It's pretty tedious to create all of these help files. And in fact, let me just, to give you a sense of how many there are, if I open up this docs folder in this help file, you can see just how much help there actually is. So anyway, I can tell you that it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. And if I have reports of certain things being confusing or a lot of particular issues, I'll try to update the help file to reduce the need for people to create issues or ask questions. It's always easier if you can get the answer right next to the setting. All right, and that is integrated help in Octolapse version 0.4. Hopefully that'll get released soon. Thanks to all my Patreons. Former Lurker out.